Hello, good morning. Welcome back to the online class once again. So today we are going to learn punctuation marks. Okay. So let me tell you the types, some importance punctuation marks. Okay. First, full stop, comma, question mark, inverted comma, apostrophe, exclamation marks. So these are the some important punctuation marks. So here I have written the definition of what is punctuation marks. Okay. So when we write, we use some signs like commas, full stops, and interrogative or exclamatory marks, etc. The proper use of this signs within is called punctuation marks. So when we write any sentence or phrase, we use some kinds of sign, that means symbol or marks. So if we use the proper punctuation marks, then the sentence becomes meaningful. If we write it, if we put the wrong punctuation marks, then the sentence or the phrase will become meaningless. So students, let me tell you the uses of punctuation marks. Okay, the proper uses of punctuation marks makes the sentence meaningful. Okay, so here first, full stop. So all we know that full stop, so the dot, single dot, it is also called a period. Okay, single dot, it is also called a period. So it is used in the end of assertive sentence, optative sentence, and imperative sentences, or positive sentence, declarative sentence, or negative sentence. Okay, full stop is used. And after the initials of name, signature, and between the letters of abbreviation. So initial signature of any person. For example, M.K. Gandhi, M.S. Dhoni. So these are the initial signature of some persons. And abbreviation like B.A., M.A., M.L.A., etc. There are many more abbreviation. So full stop is used between abbreviation, initial signatures, and assertive, negative, declarative, optative, and imperative sentence. For example, Hari goes to Agra. This is assertive sentence. Okay, so there is full stop. And take your seat, it is imperative sentence. Okay, so at the end of the sentence we have put here full stop, that means period. Next is comma. Comma, this is the symbol when three or more than three words come within one part of speech. Then last two words are joined with and, while the two words before these last two words are separated by comma. So when there is three or more than three words, okay, same types of words, similar words, okay, like places or things or person it may be. So same kinds of thing, person, places, if it come in single sentence, then we separate these words with comma and the last word is separated with and. For example, they visited Udaipur, Bikaner, and Jaipur. Here Udaipur, Bikaner, Jaipur. These are the three names of place. Udaipur is a city, Bikaner is also city, and Jaipur is also city. So these are the same kind of places. So the first one is separated by comma, and then the two is separated with and Jaipur is written at the end of the sentence. Okay, students. So our next is inverted commas. in the beginning and end of recorded speech of narration. Okay, direct and indirect speech, that means narration. So we use inverted comma. For example, she said to me, "You are a good player." Here, this symbol is called inverted comma, and this is close with inverted comma. She said to me, "You are a good player." Okay, and inverted comma is also put within the single in the names of books, titles of essays and articles, names of ships, names of newspaper are put within the single inverted commas. Okay, so the names of books, title, essays, articles, ships, names of newspaper are also used inverted comma. Okay, single inverted comma. So here the Gita. Have you read the Gita? It is single inverted comma. Okay, so it is the name of book. Apostrophe. It is used for possessive case nouns. It is also used to make short for some words. Okay, apostrophe. It is used for possessive case of nouns and to make short form of some words. For example, Ram's brother. This is possessive case. Okay, here Ram, and this is called apostrophe and s. Okay, this is possessive noun. So we have used here apostrophe, and these are the words which we can make it short by using apostrophe between the words. Okay, so do not become don't, cannot become can, and there are many more words which we can make short by using apostrophe. Okay, and question mark. We all know that question mark is used in question sentence. Okay, interrogative sentence. For example, what is your name? At the end of the sentence, you have to put question mark. An exclamatory sentence. It is used for exclamatory sentence. Okay, it is used for exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sign is used for exclamatory sentences. Okay, what a beautiful flower, then exclamation mark, etc. Okay, so students, for today's video, please share on this much. Thank you. Have a nice day.